Here's Ted's 24-foot skater. Went out for a little ride today. It's powered by dual 2.4 and 4 liter Optimax Mercury racing engines. Racing lower units, so there's no forward, neutral, and reverse, just forward. Two bucket seats. Sort of a wraparound seat in the back. Going out with the son Chris. I'm going to be in the back seat hanging on for dear life. This boat's capable of 120 miles an hour. This is a 1969 Glastron Molinary that they came from Miami, Florida, and they've authentically restored. It's got its racing number 130. And this boat was campaigned in 69-70 in Miami, or in the Florida area, greater Florida area. You can see the Glastron Molinary decal by Carlson, Garden Bay, California. Made Austin, Texas. Usually has a Mercury 125 BP DC on it. 1969 stacker. It's in the shop right now being rebuilt. If you can see it, it's a double tiered trailer, so they can carry two tunnel boats. You pull the lower tunnel boat out, and then the upper one, it's on hinges and it lowers down, and you can launch the second tunnel boat, and that's including engines. So you can take two 18-foot tunnel boats with engines on one trailer. This is about a 1986 Lee craft. This is an F1 tunnel that the boys are working on. They have an F1 engine for it, and they hope to campaign it in the near future. Another project for them this winter. This will all be sent to the shop for new paint and everything, and they have a F1 class outboard engine for the back. This boat will be capable of probably at least 120 miles an hour. Here we have a 30-foot Shadow Cat powered by dual 300 Mercury racing engines. If you look closely, you can see there's about 3 steps in the hull. Part of the design. This boat's probably capable of about 100 miles an hour. Very stable, being 30 foot. It's a racing lower units, so it's going to be very tricky to launch this boat, point it out in this wind, and fire the engines. Boys are getting ready to, Ted's trying to pull it out. Chris is pushing. Yeah. Just wait a little off the ways, but quite a breeze today. This boat's capable of 120 miles an hour, but hopefully Leadfoot Ted doesn't take us past about 80. So I'm going to be in the back wraparound seat hanging on for dear life. Here's the boys bringing the skater back to the ways. We're just out on Lake Simcoe here in Ontario. It's pretty breezy today. I don't think we went on maybe 80 miles an hour. The boat's capable of 120. But to me 80 seemed like at least 100 and something. We've got the GPS and so they're telling me that we didn't go over 80. That's the fastest I've been since maybe the 70s in an SJ class boat. To bring the boat up to the ways. And then if you look to the right, you can see that looks like a big steering wheel. They crank that and lifts the boat out of the water. This is fresh water, Lake Simcoe, north of Toronto, Ontario. It's got a 2.4 liter dual port, 2.4 liter Racing Mercury's racing lower units. There's Chris down there in the front, number one son. That's the dad and Ted in the back. It's the Boyd family. And I'm visiting from Vancouver, British Columbia. We were last weekend at Valleyfield, Quebec, inboard race, and we had a couple Switzer wings. Ran in the vintage class. Just using a bit of engine power to get it up on the ways properly. Their other toy here is a Donzi Craft. It's powered by a 454 cubic inch Mercruiser. See it's about a 21-foot Donzi. Classic old boat. See the skull and crossbones and the Mercury Racing flag snapping in the wind. Give you an idea how windy it was today when we were out on Lake Simcoe, pushing 100 miles an hour.
good though? Having a good summer so far?
Oh, man.
You know what he said?
Yo, what's up, brother? Nice out. Oh, I haven't been in. I got no voice. Was racing this weekend. It's gone.
Oh, he's filming. You should have set a rooster tail like
They took me out for a ride today. Fucking nearly shit my pants.
Bud, how are you?
Hey, buddy. How you been?
Good. How's things across the street?
I'm awesome, buddy. Vertical and
Chris,
breathing.
Chris. Vertical and breathing, yeah, exactly.
Vertical and breathing, man.
Got
I
lined
can't
up
ask
there
for
this
more.
morning.
Yeah, last time I saw you guys was when you had that motor problem for the last time ever.
Yeah. We dropped it in the first season we've had it on boat.
Oh, yeah?
Nice.
Dude, one of these days you're going to have to take me out. I'll pay for the fuel. You're going to have to take me for a rip in this.
Yeah.
Hey, good to see you guys, man. Be safe. We'll see you soon, man.